welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we have my second ever Wantables unboxing. I'm very excited. If you don't know what Wantables is, it is a styling subscription service, much like Stitch Fix, if you've ever seen one of my Stitch Fix unboxings. This one though, in particular, is a fitness active styling box. They have a regular kind of clothing style box, but I am subscribed to their fitness version, which should have either at-home leisure wear or workout wear or something of that nature. I'm not totally sure if there's 5 or 7 items in here. There is a $20 styling fee if you choose to use their service. That $20 does get applied towards anything in the box you want to keep. If you're interested in trying this out, you just go on their website, create a profile that's got all of your measurements and your preferences and all of that jazz in it, and then you sign up to have a box delivered to you. One of their stylists puts together, curates a box of clothes that they think you'll like. It gets delivered right to your door. You decide what you like and what you want to keep, and you pay for those items, and then you send everything that you don't want to keep back in a prepaid mailer envelope that's in your box. Like I mentioned, this is my second ever box. I did get one before, and I think I kept 2 items from that box, one of which was a pair of leggings that I have worn so many times and I absolutely love. So hopefully I'll find another item in this box that I absolutely love, but we shall see. I will have a referral link down below if anybody would like to sign up. That'd be cool if you could use it. I do get some credits if you use my referral link, and I do have some credits to redeem today. So hopefully I find something that works. Okay, so I'm very excited. This box has been sitting in my house for a few days now. It arrived right before Thanksgiving and I just haven't had time to open it. Ooh, there's a lot in here. Okay, let's see, what does it say? Styled, oh my gosh! It says my name on it. It says styled for Jocelyn. What a cute touch. Very sweet, okay. All right, so, okay. Oh, something else I forgot to mention is when you're on their site, I actually have the app on my phone, you can add things to like a wish list, and if it's anything like last time, they'll send you accumulation of some of the items from your wish list and then some other items. So that is kind of a cool feature that you can see a bunch of the stuff that's available and then mark things that you might want to receive and then also things that you never want to receive. So that's also a fun little feature. Oh, interesting. So they have the prepaid mailer envelope right here, which already has a shipping label on it for USPS, but they also give another shipping option if you'd rather use UPS. So that's kind of fun. I don't remember that from last time. So you can kind of choose which one you want to use, UPS or USPS. All right. So I think that we must have like a pricing guide somewhere in here. It looks like there's a lot in my lap right now. There's gotta be. Did I just miss it? Oh, maybe it's in this. Yeah, okay. So the extra mailer envelope on the inside is where the pricing guide and style guide and everything is. So, okay, so we'll put that off to the side to make sure that I can look at that later. Okay, finally, onto the actual clothes. First up, we have, ooh, what is this? Ooh, this is cute. This looks like a comfy sweater with this nice cute little tie. Okay, it's really hard to see. Okay, let's see if I can do this. So it's got this cool little tie feature on the side, and then it's got this nice little kind of cowl neck, sorta. It's like sort of a turtleneck, but not really. Very, very soft on the inside. A nice black material. Looks like it has nice sleeves on it. This looks nice. This looks very much like leisure wear, which I'm all about nowadays. So this is the Paradise Jumper in black, size medium, and this is $64. So a little pricey, but I am willing to spend a little bit more on a piece that I will wear a lot. So we'll see how that fits. Next, ooh, this is very soft. It's just like a cream colored long sleeve, extremely soft. It's also got these nice long sleeves right here, as you can see. Oh my God, this is so soft. This feels like something I would like lounge around in on Christmas or something like that, or just, you know, on a lazy weekend day. This does not have a Wantables tag, but this is the, let's make that complicated. Okay, this is by the brand Glider. I don't see a name for this specific item, but it's in the color oatmeal, and it does look like it's $64. That's a lot of money for a long sleeve shirt. For a sweatshirt or like a pair of leggings, I'm willing to pay that much. $64 for a long sleeve shirt, that is a little bit much. That is a little bit much. It does seem like it's gonna be so soft and comfortable though, so we'll see. Ooh, next we have, looks like just kind of a workout, a nice kind of workout tank. It's just a simple gray tank. It looks pretty long. It looks nice. It's like a heather gray. This is by the brand Threads for Thoughts. This is a brand that I'm familiar with and really like. I don't see any other kind of tag on here, so I don't know anything else about it, so we'll have to find out more information when we read the other card. And then we have another, ooh, what? Oh, another tank. Okay, so this is another tank. On it, it says Unstoppable, which is kind of cute. The back is actually really cute. So here, it's got a nice V in the back. It also drapes down quite a bit, so it would cover your bum. This is by the brand By Gotex. So this is the graphic tank in black, size medium, and this is $50. So a bit pricey still. Oh, it also has a nice mesh. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but there's a nice mesh right here on the side. Okay, this is cute. I like this more than I like the gray tank. Ooh, Ooh, this might be my favorite item so far. It's a sports bra. Look at how cute this is. Look at the center right here. I really like this. And then this is the back. This is really cute. I really like this. Oof. Okay, so this is by the brand, oh, this is by Jessica Simpson. Interesting. Again, we don't have a Wantables tag on here. I wonder why not. So this is in the size medium, and I don't think we have a price. We'll get a price in a moment, but I'm really excited about that. Next, next we have a pair of leggings. These are cute. These are really cute. I like that style a lot. These might have been on my list. Ooh, they also have pockets, which I love because I need somewhere to put my insulin pump. These do have a Wantables tag. So these are the Score high-waisted legging in abstract rock. These are $55. Not too bad for a pair of leggings, I don't think. These are by the brand MPG, designed for life in motion. I'm really excited about these and really excited about the sports bra so far. Ooh, and I'm really excited about this next item. And this is the last item. We have a lot of stuff. I think there might have been 7 things in here. I wasn't keeping track. But next we have a pair of sweatpants, which I love my sweatpants. I live in them. Well, I don't want to say I live in them, but like I kind of live in them. I change every day. Although I work from home, I make sure to get up and change into usually like pants or slacks or something, or leggings sometimes even. Like I'll wear something that's not my pajamas while I work. But immediately when I clock off for the day, I do switch into like comfy clothes. I have a couple pair of like sweatpants that I really love, but I could use another. And these are a really nice black, and they have pockets, and they have a drawstring, and they bunch at the bottom of the pant leg, which is something that's usually pretty important because I don't like when my sweatpant legs like pull up. All the things I look for, and they're incredibly soft. So this is by the brand, what is this? Alternative, I think is how you pronounce that. Soft, simple, and sustainable. I like that motto. Made with Tencel modal botanic in origin and sourced from sustainable forests. I am very excited about this item too. So these are $54. Okay, not outrageous. I mean, a little expensive maybe for some sweatpants, because you could get sweatpants from a lot of different places for really inexpensive, but I do like the message behind this brand, and they're very soft, and they're everything that I look for in a pair of like comfy, cozy loungewear kind of things. So, wow, those are all of the items. There's quite a few of them. Let's open up our little kind of guide right here. So my stylist is Kelsey. Okay, so oh wow, 2 of the things that I was excited about the most are the things that she included. So I requested these leggings and this sports bra. So those were 2 things from my request list. Everything else is not. Let's see, the couple of things that I didn't know a price on, first of which, oh no, so this was $64. This is the very soft, but I think overpriced long sleeve comfort long sleeve ribbed tee in oatmeal medium. And then we have the graphic tee in black, this one right here that says Unstoppable on it. This is $50. Again, a little overpriced, I think, for just a simple tee. And then the gray one that I wasn't as excited about, but it is by the brand Threads for Thoughts, which I do like this brand. This is the cheapest thing in the box. This is $28. Next we have the sweater. So the very first thing that I pulled off the top, this was $64. We did see that price. Next we have the, oh, my sweat pants. These are the cotton modal joggers in black medium. These are $54. And then finally, my two requested items, oh, was that really $60? Oh no, it didn't have a price on it, did it? Oof. Yeah, okay, so the leggings were $55 and the sports bra that I love, this is $60. Oof. Ooh, Jessica Simpson is really hiking them prices up. This is a really, really cute sports bra though. Like if this fit like a dream, I might. Again, I have some credits to use, so like maybe, but $60 is a lot of money. Okay, so it's time to try everything on. Okay, so a little revealing, but you know, I'm fully clothed. I love both of these items. The sports bra fits so well, and I think is so cute. It is a little revealing, so maybe I'll cover that up as I get a little closer to the camera. But I love it. I also really enjoy the leggings. They're very comfortable. They're very cute. They have pockets so I can put my phone in them. I do have the sweater, so why don't I throw that on real fast? These are the joggers, hold on. Okay, well, I mean, this is soft. This was expensive though, wasn't it? Yeah, this was $64. If I was gonna buy a basic like pullover sweater type of situation, I don't love this one as much as I know that I could find a different one that I love for $64. So this one, although it's comfortable and it's like kind of cute, not my favorite. I don't feel about the sweater the same as I do about these beautiful leggings and the sports bra underneath. Okay, so this is the Threads for Thoughts tank. This is the plain gray one. This is the least expensive thing in the box. I mean, this is cute. It definitely fits really well, but also it's just like a basic gray tank top. I mean, it's soft, but do I need it? Probably not. Like if it was a color I really loved, I might be tempted to keep this because it is, again, very comfortable. I think it fits pretty well and it's cute. It's just not, it's not something that I'm like really feeling like I need. So let's try on the black tank. Okay, I mean, the back's kind of cute, but the front looks weird. It looks like it's built for somebody who has broad, like who's taller, who has a taller torso and whose shoulders go up to here, not here. I have a very small torso. This doesn't look like it was quite built for my body type. This is definitely a pass. All right, so we have two items left. We have the two loungewear-ish items. So the very expensive long sleeve shirt that I hope I don't fall in love with, and the sweatpants, which I am hoping I fall in love with. So let's find out. Oh yeah. Okay, good news. I'm not in love with this. I don't think it's flattering on me. And for $60-something, I would like this to fit well. Good news is these fit like a dream. I love these. They're exactly like what I would have wanted. I don't know if you can see my feet, but they go down perfectly. They bunch up a little bit. The last thing that I want is for pants like this to be too short. I'm used to my things being a little bit too long. So these are perfect. They're so soft, they're so comfortable. They have the pockets, they have a drawstring. Big thumbs up. Okay, so I've tried everything on. Let me put my regular clothes back on and let's wrap up with some final thoughts, shall we? Okay, and we're back with everything. So let's see, let's start off with the things that I'm definitely not gonna keep. The first is the black tank. I just not for me, and I don't really have a need for it, so that's gonna definitely go back along, I think, with the gray tank. This was almost perfect, but there's a few other things from this lot that I think I'm definitely gonna get, and I don't really need to add that to my price tag. So next is the sweater, just not for me. That one's gonna go back. Oh, and the long sleeve shirt. This one wasn't flattering on me, and for the price tag, definitely going back. Okay, what are we left with? 3 items. 2 of the things that were on my wish list, and then the joggers. I think I'm gonna keep all 3 of these. I felt very happy with all 3. The sports bra, it had to fit like a glove and make me feel really good, and it did both of those things. Is it expensive? Yes. Is it beautiful and did it make me feel like a goddess? Also yes. I really love this. And I do have some credits, as I mentioned earlier in the video, so I think I'm gonna keep this for sure. This is the thing that I felt the absolute best in, I think followed by the joggers and then by the leggings. But I really, really liked all three of these, and they're pieces that I think I could get a lot of use out of. I mean, especially these, the sweatpants, the joggers. I think that I'll wear these constantly, all the time. Several times a week probably. And the leggings, I don't have a lot of leggings that go all the way down to my ankle and that have pockets like this. I think I actually only have like 3 pairs of leggings, 2 that go all the way down to my ankles but are more like a sweatpant material, so they get really, really hot. These aren't like that at all. So I think these are a pretty valuable item to add. This because it's beautiful and wonderful, and I have some credits that I can use to buy this, so that's fantastic. I'm very happy. I always say with subscription boxes like this, if I can find 1 or 2 items that I want to keep and love, that's a success. I don't really love when I love everything, because then I want to buy everything and it's torture. So this is actually pretty ideal scenario. If you would like to sign up for Wantables, again, I will leave my referral link down below, and I would appreciate it if you would use it, but you don't have to. You can sign up on your own, or you can use somebody else's referral link. But if you do use a referral link, that person does get credit. So huge thank you to everybody who did use my referral link from the last video. I am able to use some of those credits to fund the purchase of these items, and I'm very, very grateful. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see future unboxings, I do these every once in a while, and I also do Stitch Fix on my channel pretty regularly, so if you don't want to miss out on those, consider subscribing. And I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh my god. Really? How long have you been doing that? Thank you. Oh my god.